Right, I'm going to clean the contacts of my Humax handset. Some of the buttons, they're very hard to use and they don't function as they should. So that indicates that the contacts have got corroded and you need to clean them. I've got some tools, very basic. All we have to do, I've already started it, is to crack open a case using the tool. It's got a nice edge on it that you can get into it. I've already started, and use these plastic tools because then it won't damage the handset itself. So all we have to do is run the tool around. It's just popping open the fastenings on the handset. Sounds a bit alarming, but it's not going to do any damage if you're careful. You'll be surprising how little is in the actual handset itself. It's not nothing complicated in there. There we are, popping it out as we go. Last little bit to go. What is that? There we go. Got it. There we are. It's completely open. All we got inside is so easy. It's just these bits here. It's a rubber mat, and when you press the buttons, it pushes the contacts through. It's just rubber, but they coat them with a special coating so it makes contact. You can see where the actual buttons go across the contacts on the printed circuit board. There. Anyway, I use for this I use isopropyl alcohol. It's a contact cleaner. It's got other uses as well. You can use it to clean other items. That's the one I used to use at work. Well, I'm now going to clean the contacts. So you open the isopropyl alcohol, dip a cotton bud into the isopropyl alcohol. Okay, if we see the underneath of the buttons, and you just clean the rubber projections on there. These are doubles. Volume up and down, or program up and down buttons. It's this one that's given me the trouble, this center one. Just all the buttons around there. Right, so that's the rubber part done. I've done all the contacts there. Turn my attention to the printed circuit board now, and I'll just refresh. I'll use a different part of the cotton bud this time. You see how dirty they get. Dip it into the alcohol. Put the lid back on. The contact here. Just that contact here. These are double contacts for some reason. Either side there. And then as you can see, they're all down here. So progressively come down the printed circuit board. Methodically clean each one. You can see on the cotton bud tip. You get, I guess, when you get a carbon deposit when that builds up. And if I line that up again, you can see which is the center buttons are just around this area here. So I'll redo those again. Right, so that one there. That's the main button here, the OK button. And the navigation buttons. See how the tip of my cotton bud is. It's just taken off all the dirt and grime. Hopefully they're now clean. It's just a matter of putting it all back together. Before you finish, it's a good idea to also clean the contact, the battery contacts. Oops. It's worthwhile doing those. Okay, now this, you can sort of, these need relocating. There's some, there's a little lug that locates top and bottom. If you don't get that right, then the button doesn't work properly. Let's pop these, right, just reseat that back in, fits in nice and neatly. Just reseated it back in there. Part goes onto here. Right. There we have it. And so I just have to reseat them. And then I want to do it this way, so I'll just hold that in and flip it over onto there like that, like so. And then start snapping it all back together again. There we are. It's all gone neatly back together. And that's how to clean a handset. Hope you've enjoyed it. I mean, there are other types of handset you can do the same thing with. And I've done it a couple of times. The first time I did it, I had to buy a new handset, and that of course gave me the confidence to open the original one, and that seems to work. So, good luck. I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching.